Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna discussing about RTA SMART YARD test, that is RTA parking test that is conducted in Dubai. It has 5 maneuvers, meaning 5 tests, and we will be getting 20 minutes to complete all these 5 tests. Normally it require only 10 to 12 minutes to complete all these in one go, and I'll be discussing all these 5 tests along with the video. So we can go to the video and I'll be discussing all the reference points there. You are seated alone in the vehicle. Each type of parking test is evaluated by the sensors and cameras inside it. And don't forget triple SM, that is doors, seat, steering, seat belt and mirrors before you begin. Once you enter into the vehicle, close the door tightly to avoid disqualification. Now you can adjust the seat accordingly because before the person before you might be adjusted according to him, and now the steering also you can adjust. Now buckle the seat belt. And the last, mirrors. Adjust the mirrors. You should see clearly the rear and side views, so adjust accordingly. Once you are ready, show thumbs up in the right camera. When you are ready, you can show a thumbs up, and your test is started now. You will get 20 minutes to complete all these 5 maneuvers, and you should not open the door during the test unless you have completed the test. And you have to maintain or maintain 20 km per hour. In Smart Yard, you should maintain your overall speed below 30 km per hour. And there will be markings which will proceed, guide you to the next test. Once you cross the sensor, the tab will announce the test has started. We are proceeding to the first RTA test, that is slope test. You have 90 seconds to complete the test. You have to stop between the back yellow and white line and pull the handbrake. Don't forget to pull the handbrake and wait for 2 seconds, then accelerate, maintain 1500 RPM and slowly release the handbrake. We should avoid dry steering. While moving from slope, please make sure that your car doesn't roll back. If it is rolled back more than 30 centimeters, you are failed. Now control the speed and proceed to the next parking. If the vehicles are moving, stop for a while and proceed to the next parking test. The second parking test, emergency brake test. Once you cross the sensor, your time starts. It is 90 seconds. Hold the steering wheel firmly with both hands. Maintain the speed within 20 to 25 km per hour before touching the first line. And if it is below 20 and more than 30, you are failed. As soon as you hear the beep sound, immediately apply the hard brake. And wait for 2 seconds and do the shoulder check. And slowly you have to move the vehicle. Do not exceed 20 km per hour while exiting the line. Now you can proceed to the next parking test while checking other vehicles around. That is angle parking test. You have 2 minutes to complete this maneuver. Position the vehicle as much as close to the center dotted line. And when you feel that you are ready for the test, put the indicator right. This is the time starts. And move very slowly. You should not miss the reference point. Please observe and do the 6 safety check. And move very slowly. When you see the first parking line matches the right side door lock, turn the steering full right. Continue moving very slowly. And the second reference, when the left parking corner matches the top part of the steering, rotate steering back to straight, that is 2 times back to straight. Now check the left side mirror, the third reference point. the white line just below the front knob of the door. Then you can stop and put parking and handbrake. As soon as you put the handbrake, the system will announce exit the parking bay. Then reverse, put the indicator, observe and 6 points check. Left blind spot, left side mirror, center mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, and observe back side also, and release handbrake. Move slowly. There are vehicles behind, so you have to keep check behind while exiting the parking bay. Make sure that there are no vehicles and you move slowly until the left side mirror align with the left yellow line. Turn steering fully right. Now you are out of the parking bay. You can straight the steering and proceed to the next parking test. Garage parking test. The test time is 3 minutes. Position your vehicle as much as close to the center dotted line, and you can stop your vehicle once you cross your parking bay. That is, when you see your parking bay on your right side mirror, you can stop, put vehicle in reverse mode. This is the test time starts. Put the right indicator, prepare, observe, and 6 point safety check. Left side, left blind spot, left side mirror, center mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, and finally back side. Slowly reverse while checking behind. The first reference point will be the sticker on your big window glass matches the second line of the parking bay. Rotate fully right, steering fully right, and continue reversing slowly while checking both left and right side mirror. And the second reference points will be when you see both the yellow lines, you can see clearly on your left and right side mirror, and rotate the steering back 2 times left and continue reversing until you see the back yellow line comes under the driver's knob of the door handle. Handbrake, put parking, and it will announce exit the parking bay. Now change gear to drive. Right indicator, prepare, observe, 6 point safety check. Release the handbrake, move slowly until the left side shoulder align with both the yellow line. Turn right completely. Now you are out of the parking bay. Proceed to your next parking test. And the last parking test, parallel parking test. It has 5 minutes, and unlike the angle parking or a garage parking, it is the vehicle should be positioned close to the parking bay, that is around 40 to 50 centimeter away from the white line, and you can cross your parking bay and stop once you see your parking bay on your right side mirror. Put the vehicle in reverse mode and the time starts. Put the right indicator, prepare, observe, 6 point safety check. Check behind. Start reverse slowly. Keep checking the right side mirror. Once the curve yellow line disappear from the right side mirror, suddenly quickly turn the steering fully right. Keep reversing and keep checking the left side mirror. Once the white line comes under the door handle of the driver's door handle, turn the steering left fully. Keep checking the right side mirror. Continue reversing until the back side yellow line comes under the driver's door handle. parking, handbrake. And you can see the tab will announce exit the parking bay. Switch on the left indicator, drive mode, release the handbrake, check the left side mirror, left blind spot, and exit the parking bay. And you can proceed towards the end of the test. This is all about RTA parking test. Carefully you can park the vehicle to complete your RTA SMART YARD test. Apply the handbrake and parking. You can remove the seat belt. You can collect the result from the waiting area.